Boil.
Boil.
Boil the pasta until it's soft.
I boil water for pasta.
Boil.
Boil.
Mix.
Mix.
Mix the milk with the cereal.
He mixed the salad dressing in a bowl.
Mix.
Mix.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Squeeze the orange for fresh juice.
I squeeze the lemon to make lemonade.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Break.
Break.
Break the eggs into a bowl.
He broke the cookie in half to share.
Break.
Break.
Fry.
Fry.
Fry the chicken until it's crispy.
I fry eggs for breakfast.
Fry.
Fry.
Chop.
Chop.
Chop the onions into small pieces.
She chops the tomatoes for the salad.
Chop.
Chop.
Grate.
Grate.
Grate the carrots for the salad.
I grate cheese for the pizza.
Grate.
Grate.
Slice.
Slice.
Slice the bread for sandwiches.
I slice the apple into thin pieces.
Slice.
Slice.
Pinch.
Pinch.
Add a pinch of salt to the soup.
He adds a pinch of pepper to his food.
Pinch.
Pinch.
Peel.
Peel.
Peel the apple before eating it.
He peeled the orange and gave me a slice.
Peel.
Peel.
Knead.
Knead.
Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic.
She kneads the dough to make pizza.
Knead.
Knead.
Roll out.
Roll out.
Roll out the dough to make a pie crust.
She rolled out the pastry for the pie.
Roll out.
Roll out.
Saute.
Saute.
Saute the mushrooms in olive oil.
She sautéed the garlic until it was fragrant.
Saute.
Saute.
Spread.
Spread.
Spread jam on the toast.
He spread peanut butter on the toast.
Spread.
Spread.